kindergartners. We're going to be rereading Pouch by David Ezra Stein. Let's get reading. Pouch by David Ezra Stein. For Niall. I love these illustrations. They're so cute. When he was a brand new kangaroo, Joey lived in the pouch until one day he peeked out and saw the world. Peek! And his mama smiling down at him. "Mama," said Joey, "I want to hop." He climbed out of the pouch and took 2 hops to the tall grass. Hop, hop. "Who are you?" "A bee." "Pouch," said Joey. Oh, schnurbels. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 3 hops to the little hill. Hop, hop, hop. "Who are you?" "Rabbit." "Pouch," said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 4 hops to the sandy hollow. Hop, 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 hop. You guys, look at this. He took 2 hops when he met the bee, 3 hops when he met the rabbit, and now 4 hops to the sandy hollow. Why do you think Joey takes more hops each time he leaves his mother's pouch? Look how much further he is than he was the first time. Look at how much further he is now away from Mama. What do you think? You know what I think? I think he's getting braver and more curious every time he leaves the pouch. He gets so brave, he's like, I can do this. I can go 1 hop farther than I did before. Let's keep reading. "Who are you?" "A bird." "Pouch," said Joey. But soon he wanted to hop again. He took 5 hops to the pasture fence. Ooh, he's getting brave. "Who are you?" "Kangaroo." "Pouch," said the 2 kangaroos. "Wait," said Joey. "You were afraid of me too?" Oh, oh man, that was so silly. Then they hop, 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 hoppity hopped everywhere. Oh, they're so cute. They're the best of friends. I love how kangaroos hop. How many times did the author use the word hop in this picture? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. They said the word hop 4 times in this picture. Why do you think he repeated the word? The author repeated the word so many times. Why did he repeat hop 4 times? Why do you think? Good. I think too. I think that he wanted to show how quick they're moving. He wanted us to see them hop, 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 hop. When I read these words, I can't help but think about the kangaroos bouncing up and down. Excellent job. That's called word choice. Then that author chose to use these words specifically to give you a sense of how kangaroos move around. Look, I just noticed that Mama's over here. She's watching carefully. "Pouch?" said the mamas. "No, thanks." The end. Oh, I love that story. So cute. Why did the author have the baby kangaroos both say no thanks at the same time? Why did he have them say it at the same time? Look, they had the same word quotes together. I think he wanted to show how good of friends that they became together. He wanted to say, we are such good friends that we think the same thoughts at the same exact time. Awesome job, you guys. All right, thank you for reading with me.